Greetings from Coral Bay in Paphos. This is the best beach in Paphos area, and it really looks amazing even on this 29th of December. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful day today, and 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 in the sea. And I have visited this beach when I was exploring Paphos 5 years ago, actually 5.5, in May 2018, where I was staying in Paphos, and I walked all the way to here. Today I took the bus 615 that goes every 10 to 15 minutes from central Paphos, and it's definitely worth the visit because the beaches that are near the city center of Paphos are not so great like this. You see, this is super sandy, and the name says Coral Bay, so there are coral reefs, I would assume. And the sand color here is a bit more yellowish compared to the one in Ayia Napa, where I'm staying. There it is more white sand. But here I think it's because it has different structure of the land here, and that's why it's like that. It looks super amazing. Let's get slowly into the water, where it has mix of sand and stones, but it looks amazing, and it is very shallow as I walk in. Beautiful. So yes, Paphos is one of the biggest cities in Cyprus and the biggest one on the west coast. I think it is a bit smaller than Limassol, that's fairly close as well. But it's a nice city to explore, and I'm staying right now in Ayia Napa, so Paphos is quite far away. It's a 3-hour bus ride, and I wouldn't be able to explore that much today. But I did explore a lot in 2018. But then again, back then I didn't have my YouTube channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. So I wanted to come here and show you also the beauty of Paphos and this beautiful coral bay here. From here there are a few other beaches along the coast that are quite nice and that are not so crowded like this one, because this is quite crowded if I compare it to the beaches in Ayia Napa. There is one more beach around the coast there that's called Lauru Beach, and I'm gonna try to visit one shipwreck and beach that's 3 kilometers away from here. So yeah, that's Paphos, and as I'm showing you the beauty of this coral bay and preparing for my beach adventure. Look at that. Alright, cool, then we are ready to explore the water in the Coral Bay in Paphos, Cyprus. Let's go! It's so nice and beautiful. At this part of the sea it is only sand below, and quite beautiful and scenic. It reminds me a bit of Tenerife and Gran Canaria, because there are also some mountains close by. Look at that, beautiful. So nice. Yes, Cyprus is out on the Mediterranean Sea, and it's very close. It's actually part of the Middle East, because Israel, Jordan and Syria are very, very close. And Cyprus is very close to Turkey also. you can basically see Antalya and Alanya if you're looking from the Turkish part, the north part of Cyprus. Cool. Then that's a wrap from the Coral Bay beach here in Paphos, Cyprus. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if so, please subscribe to my channel so that you can follow even more beach adventures from Cyprus and the rest of the world. And the channel is called what? Beach Adventures with Chris!